Hey guys, Nathan with Bobcat at Bowling Green here. I'm your new sales rep for the Warren County area, and as a native of Warren County, I'm proud to introduce and show off the new equipment and what we can do for you. I've been working here at Bobcat for about 2 years. Started out in parts, kind of migrated over to service and warranty side of it for a little while. Then started taking on the inside sales, and I guess I was doing some things right because they decided to give me a territory. Coming on to the new R-Series machines, Bobcat did a really good job of listening to their customers. Bobcat kind of raised the seating position of the seat to allow you to open the door even if you can't get the implement all the way down. You have the option of the clear sides, so you get a little better visibility. They changed the geometry of the tracks. That allows them to get cleaned out better. You've also got the cast steel arms and Bobcat, which gives you about 20% more strength. They rerouted lines, made everything cleaner, harder to get sticks snagged up in there. They even changed the position and the orientation of the engine and hydrostack, getting rid of that drive belt. They changed the cooling package, made it one solid unit, never have to worry about getting stuff in between the layers. It's actually about twice as big a fan, so you get a lot better cooling, with a lot lower fan speed, and that gives you that quiet, smooth ride that Bobcat is known for. Again, guys, I'm super excited to be a part of the sales team for Warren County. I'm really excited to reintroduce myself to a whole lot of people in the industry. You'll be hearing from me. I will be on your job site.